So don't really mind that bomb over there. It's just a prop. And where are my manners? I have to take off this hat. Okay. Well, my name's Corbin Brown, aka you guys might know me as Director Corbs. Cue the intro, please. Okay, we're back. So this is my first video of my senior year of new media. And today, I'll be speaking to you guys about my plans for state drama. So for the past 2 years, I've competed at the statewide level for a 5-minute short film. And the categories are like animated, live action, and documentary. I've not ventured off into the documentary or the strictly animated part of the competition. If you would like to see my previous entries for the state drama competition, they will also be in my channel, and I can link them down below. So far in the competitions, I've done pretty well. And my cameraman right here, Eli Ballard, you can come on here. No? Okay. So far, my cameraman, he's Eli, helped me out a lot. Day one for my films, ever since like when we're little, making goofy iMovie trailers and just stuff like that keeps the creativity flowing. And so this year, I plan on making a noir/comedy. And by the way, I've two-peated in the competition and won twice. So this is my last hoorah to go big or to go home. And I want to go in three-peat. So I'm planning on making a noir comedy. And like I'm taking inspiration from movies like Chinatown and Who Framed Roger Rabbit for that aesthetic. Like I'll show you some what's it called? Concept art, and I'll have that on here, just edited in the background, because my editors are great, I guess. So I'll have Eli help me co-direct as a final just hoorah to like my career in high school for new media, and I think this will be a great short film. So I plan on taking so first thing I need to do is I need to make a screenplay. I need to start drawing some stuff out, writing some stuff. The hardest part I think is going to be about this is going to be my pacing and cinematography, just stuff that's hard in like normal films and hard to do as an amateur filmmaker like myself. But that's why I think having two directors and a co-director is going to help, because we have two guys filling in ideas and just trying to make this as best as possible. So I'll just do a quick rundown of what I'm thinking, and I'll let you guys in on what's happening. Who is this? I'll be right there. Not you again. I'll be right there. Actually, I won't. See ya. Don't mind that phone call. So, as you can tell by the change in lighting and the scenery, this is more of like just some scenes or like shots that we could possibly use in the short. And I think it's going to be very hard to mix drama and comedy and noir and comedy together, because they're like totally different. Eli. They're totally different styles and genres of film. But one of these, I'm just going to give you a list of what I'm going to include in my short film. So I'm going to have Dutch angles, an overly seductive female, because that's also in most of these noir films, and very exaggerated props. So similar to like The Mask with Jim Carrey or Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Like, it's hard to explain what I'm trying to get at. Like, say this dude had a big old like a cartoon character smoking a cigar. It's like abnormally ginormous. Yeah, stuff like that. and it's just gonna be a fun film. And so the first thing I want in the film is it's gonna be a serious case. And my lead, Josh, is gonna get this big old file slammed on his desk, like this big, like overly exaggerated, like I said. And Josh, being a very great PI detective, is going to take this case very seriously. I don't know what the case is yet, but I know the case is going to be super dumb and silly. But he's going to take it like this is the case of his career. And we're just going to make a funny noir comedy film. And in these next episodes, I'm going to be going over what I want in my screenplay and what I want for what I'm working on for dialogue, stuff like that. Just everything that goes into filming this, making this film, and making this short. So, I hope I'm getting around 10 minutes, Mr. Paraguay, because isn't that the time that you want? And so, I'm going to have Dutch angles, a bunch of stuff that's like common tropes in noir films, and then I'm going to use common tropes in comedy films, but I'm going to give my own spin on it. And also having somebody else helping with me with this film, like Eli. It's going to be a great film. And I'm going to have one last great standoff for my final year of state drama and my final year of new media. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you enjoy this journey that we have planned up ahead. And thank you guys. I love you.